Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to solve your site is running on an outdated version of PHP which is not receiving security update. So guys, you need to update this. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your website cPanel. Once you're there, you simply search for what? PHP. After which you choose on what? Choose PHP version. Once you're here, you simply need to change the version of your PHP. That is, the current version is 7.3. As you can see here, we need to change it to 7.4. So we simply go back to our cPanel, after which you click on current. Once you're there, you scroll down and you choose 4, after which you click on what? Apply. Once you apply, you go back to your WordPress dashboard. You simply refresh your browser. So guys, we are just solving that issue. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.